Welcome to Mainframe Team-Centered Content Viewer. In this video, we will demonstrate the report indexing feature that enables you to filter and format report data with a logical view. When we open a report from the Report List page, we see a list of logical views and index names that are defined for the selected report. The native view shows the whole report without any filters or formatting. To see index values, select a logical view with an associated index. Optionally, we can select all values to view the report content formatted by the logical view rules, but without filtering the set of pages that are displayed. After we select an index value, we see the report data filtered based on our selection. Additionally, we can use the filtering fields in every column of each expanded grid to filter logical views and index values. If we choose a report that does not include any logical view, then the native view opens automatically. But if we chose a report that includes a default logical view, then the default logical view opens automatically. After selecting the index value, we can use the Expand button to view the report content in full screen. If needed, we can then change our logical view or index value selections by shrinking the displayed report content